Hi and hello, guys. The last year, 2020, has really not been the way we all wanted it to be, right? We have gone through a lot of stuff over the last year. So, we have seen some horrible stuff which we would never want to see. At this point, all that we can do is look back into all the things that have happened in 2020 and just hope that we have a better year ahead. At this point, I would like to thank all of you guys for the support that you have provided me over these years. There have been some people who have been with me through this journey right from the inception of this channel till this date, and there are others who have joined in between. So, I would like to thank all of you for your support all through these years and who have inspired me to generate content and come up with new stuff. So, thank you all once again from the bottom of my heart. Wish you all a very happy and a prosperous new year. So, I really wish that good things happen to each and every one in this year 2021. Once again, wish you all and your family